I'm going to show you how to factory reset the MacBook Pro M5. It'll work for the M4 as well as the M3 as well. So we'll do this factory reset so you have a clean slate to start back over, or if you want to go ahead and sell your MacBook Pro. So the first thing is we want to go to the settings. So go ahead, top left hand side, click on your Apple logo there, and then just go to system settings. And then from here, we're going to go down to general. So make sure general is highlighted. And then from here, we're going to scroll all the way down to the very bottom. It says transfer or reset. We're going to tap on that right now. And before we do the factory reset, it says erase all content and settings. You can back up using the migration assistant. If you have anything important, you can back up first. Okay. Anyway, we're going to go proceed, erase all content and settings. I'll go ahead and tap on that right there. It's asking for my password to this MacBook, and I'll tap on unlock now. So now for me, it's saying all this will be removed. Okay, some of you guys may not have this, like I have my Find My activated. Some of you guys may not have that, but if you do, all of this we're going to be logged out of. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and proceed. We're going to go to continue. And now I'm going to go ahead and put in my password to my Apple account. Then once you put the password in, go ahead and tap on continue. Now it's asking me to sign out of my Find My. I'm going to go ahead and input my password, and I'll tap in continue. And now I get this two-factor authentication on my phone, the 6 digits here. So I'm looking at my phone now. I'm going to type in this code here. And it says here now, you are about to erase all content and settings from this Mac. So if you want to proceed, we're going to click on erase all content and settings right there. It's restarting and we get a progress bar now. And it's complete. And now we get this, it says activate Mac. You can leave it like this, or it says select a Wi-Fi network from the menu or attach a network cable to proceed. Okay, so you can leave it like this and you're done. Or if you want to go ahead and activate this Mac, just go ahead and go to the Wi-Fi symbol up there. Go ahead and click it, and then you want to click on join other network. And we're just going to go ahead and join my Wi-Fi network here. Let me do show all networks. Wait for it to populate. Okay, and then let me find my Wi-Fi network name right there. I'm going to tap on join. Let me put in my password. Then I'm going to go ahead and tap on join. Give it a second, and now you can see that spinny thing moving. Your Mac is activated. It will now restart in 60 seconds, or you can go ahead and do it yourself. I'll just go ahead and do it myself. Restart. And voila. Pretty simple. Now you're ready to set up again as a fresh, clean install, or you can go ahead and sell it.